Hi and welcome to Chef's Review. Let me present to you a popcorn maker from Royal Catering. Anywhere where you need a lot of popcorn, well, this machine is for you. Let me show you what it has and what it does. First, let's open the door. This will give you access to the main chamber. It is held by a magnet and has a special drawer. When you open it, you get better access to your popcorn. Now you have the heart of your machine, which is the stainless steel pot that is heated. The heating element is inside, and there's a couple of nice features. The lid is magnetized. When you lift it, it stays on top, so you get better access to your pot. The pot is Teflon coated, so nothing will get stuck to it. And another nice feature is this turning mechanism. So when it spins inside while the pot is heating, it prevents popcorn, the ones that is already popped, from burning, and it makes all the kernels to fall on the bottom, so you get the maximum of your portion. In the set is this jar, the measuring jar, and this shovel. For exact quantities of how much corn kernels and how much oil, please see the instruction. It is approximately 50 milliliters of oil. Let me just put it in quickly. And about 150 grams of corn kernels. Put it in straight away. And you can make it sweet or salty depending on your taste. I always like to put my salt or sugar straight in the pot, just a little bit, so when the popcorn pops, it will be instantly covered with some of the seasoning. Alright, so let's close the lid first, close the drawer, close the windows, and let's turn the machine on. Okay, first you turn on the power and the light. Then you turn the heating on, and once you've turned the heating on, always remember to put the turning mechanism on, so it will spin those kernels inside. It will take approximately 1.5 to 2 minutes to get the popcorn portion ready. So let's get through some of the technical details. Materials. It is built from stainless steel, aluminium, and tempered glass, which is really hard, so you don't have to worry about breaking it. There's also one more nice feature. There's this drawer, so the bottom of the chamber is perforated and the holes are just big enough to let through the uncooked kernels. So when you're serving, you're not serving any uncooked ones to your customers. The device is really efficient. It works with 1600 watts. So it will heat up really quickly. As you will see in a second, it will start popping. So it started popping. It will take, as I said, approximately 2 minutes. There's no timer on it, so you have to just be vigilant and careful. When you stop hearing any pops, that means the popcorn is ready. But as you can see, it goes really fast. It is a true rocket. Very efficient, so in 1 hour you can go through 5 kilograms of popcorn, which makes 16 liters, so quite a lot. This is perfect for cinemas, open air festivals, and any place where you have a lot of hungry people and they're after a quick snack. Alright, you can hear it. The pops are stopping. It will just a few more seconds. I think that's about it. First you turn the turner off, then the heat, then I'll show you another very nice feature. So in order to take the popcorn out, you just pull down the lever that releases the pot. You can drop those popcorns and it will jump right back in. Okay, so let me just quickly summarize. Well, the machine definitely looks good. I love the vintage look to it, American style sort of. Operation is very easy and it's very efficient, and this has this drawer for the uncooked popcorn in it, which I find is really cool because I hate when you get uncooked popcorn kernels in your popcorn in a cinema, especially when it's dark. All right, but there's one more thing I want to show you. If you go on the website, you will find one of these. It is an RGB LED light. It comes with a control, and this will make your machine stand out even more. Let me show you how it works. Lights out. Now look at this. See this? Doesn't this look cool? This will definitely make your machine stand out even more. But that's not all it can do. You can change the colors. Well, it goes green, it goes blue, it goes white, it goes yellow, and all the colors in between. And you can set different modes for it. So you can make it flash, just like so. I reckon this is really cool. So how about we turn the lights on? All right. So once you found your customers, the kids seen those lights, you have to serve your popcorn. So you can use one of those or a bowl or whatever. Just let me put some in for you. I like my popcorn salty and spicy. So I prepared some chili powder here. Just let me put some on top, shake it so it goes all the way down. Really spicy. Okay, what else would you need? So let me close the machine. And if you go on the website, you'll find a variety of the popcorn makers, different sizes, different shapes, and different colors of the same model. If you ordered this one, it will come with a 3-year warranty, and it will arrive in a box, huge, just like this one, with lots of styrofoam for a tight fit and safety during transport. All right, so if you found this informative, remember I'm your hands-on expert, so if you want me to test a different machine, just let me know in the comment section. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.